Today I'm going to show you guys how I made the Witcher medallion. Costumes from my new book, Cosplaying When You're Broke. For the medallion, start by getting yourself a thin piece of cardboard, and you just want to trace a circle onto it. Cut it out with a pair of scissors, and then you want to draw the wolf head onto it. And I do have this in the template, so you don't have to draw it freehand if you don't want to. And cut out the little piece where it's supposed to be open on the back side there, like that. Take some puffy paint. I happen to have silver puffy paint, but if you don't, that's okay, because you can just paint over it afterwards. So you just want to fill in the wolf head with the puffy paint. So line it and then fill it all in there. And then you also want to go around the outer rim of the whole thing to make that raised line around there. And let the puffy paint dry. Once it's dry, you can paint the rest of it silver, and if your puffy paint wasn't silver, you can paint that as well. I'm actually using gunmetal gray so that they are contrasting silvers. Painted a little bit in the eye there as well, and so there's my little cardboard medallion. I got a necklace from a secondhand shop and pulled the charm off of it, and then I just used a piece of electrical tape to attach it to the back. You can also use glue, but you have to encase the chain in glue if you're going to do that, so I just use tape to make it easy. And if you guys want to see how I made the rest of this costume, then check out my new book, Cosplaying When You're Broke, which is currently available for pre-sale. The links are in the description box.